all big. I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot.
You want to see the lambada? I'll show you the lambada.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell.
Di Cannavaro, palla tagliata, messa fuori, c'è Pirlo, ancora Pirlo di tetto,
Get it,
How's it going so far? I'm looking for my clients.
You are not a cow. Come home. Come home, Lola. You're not a cow.
You wanna go eat? Come on. Oh my god.
Bye. Bye.
You fucking bloody bastard bitch! Fuck you bloody fucking mother bloody fuck bitch! Fuck you fucking bloody bastard! Benchwood bloody! You bastard! No, but why? Bloody no! Why? Bloody fucking! If accident, then what you wanna do? Why you fuck me? I fuck you bloody! Bloody bastard! Fucking running like lady, eh? Bloody! What the fuck?
Oi, go. Oi, more passion, more passion, more passion, more energy, more energy, more footwork, more footwork.
Could've got killed there. No running on the road. You come back when I tell you.
Está cuando de muñeco. In the store.
Oh! What a good boy. Yep. What is in your mouth?
Dude, clover everywhere.
It's on the edge. Hit it.
No, that was the wrong way.
Jesus Christ, only again.
That isn't a stick.
Can I please take a nap?
Roscoe, you cannot have both. You need to share. You need to share. No. No. You need to share.
Hey,
What?
we don't bark this early.
Who? Roof.
What did I just say? We don't bark this early.
Roof.
No.
I'm sorry. Ew. I don't want it. Get it out of here. Oh, get it out. I don't want it. Get it out. Ugh. Yucky. Nasty. I don't want to see it. I don't even want to smell it. Yucky. It's nasty. I want it out.
It's a pee.
Hey, what you do? You fell asleep in your kitty litter? You probably need to go take a bath. No, you did not. No, I know you did. Oh, no, you didn't open up a can of worms. I watched. Whoa, it's hot. Can't believe you put your paws on me. Boy, you in trouble. You in so much trouble. Wait till I start running. I'm going to whoop you. I'm going to whoop you, man. I can't believe you put your paws on me. I can't believe you slapped me. Oh, shit.
God damn it.
I